Are you getting ready for an open house event coming up? Let's make it an unforgettable experience that leaves buyers ready to write offers on the spot. Spring is on its way, and with it comes the busiest home buying season of the year. Hosting a standout open house can set your property apart in a competitive market. Hey guys, it's Shane Kilby here today with BrickDriven Realty, and I want to share with you 3 game-changing strategies to make your open house the talk of the neighborhood, setting the stage, spreading the word, and creating memorable connections. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, set the stage for success. First impressions are everything. Start with impeccable curb appeal, freshly mowed lawns, vibrant flowers, and a welcoming front door. Inside, focus on staging. Arrange the furniture to maximize space and add pops of color with decor and highlight your home's best features. Don't forget sensory touches like soft lighting, pleasant scents, and curated playlists to make buyers feel right at home. Next, amplify your marketing. To get a full house, you need a full-scale marketing plan. Go beyond the basics with targeted social media ads, a virtual tour, and local community outreach. Partner with nearby businesses to cross-promote your event. And consider offering incentives like a gift card where you can raffle with attendees and whoever visits the home. A well-executed marketing plan creates buzz and ensures your open house is a can't-miss event. Next, make it personal. The secret to converting visitors into buyers is personal engagement. Greet everyone with a smile and take time to learn what they're looking for in a home. Prepare a QR code that links to detailed property information and set up interactive elements like a neighborhood highlights board. Collect feedback with a quick survey. It shows you care and provides valuable insights for future showings. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more home selling advice. Best of luck with your open house and the sale of this home. If you're ready to take your open house to the next level or have any questions about the process, reach out to me by phone or email. Let's work together to turn your open house into the launch pad for your next big sale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.